Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I hope you're enjoying it so far. For this month, I want to show you the yarn that I was gifted from crochet.com/knitpicks. They contacted me by email and asked to send me a box of yarn with no strings attached. I didn't have to show it online. I just want to put it in this vlog because I got it and I thought it'd be fun to show you guys. So this is the box that they sent me, and this is the yarn that they gave me. So this first one right over here is a tweed yarn in worsted weight. It's like a jean colored blue with black and different tones of neutral colors for the flex. It's very soft, very squishy. It's very cute. Love this color. Next is going to be this worsted weight. It kind of feels more silky, not as soft maybe, but very silky. I love this color. It's really pretty. Next is going to be this DK weight in this like pumpkin-y color. Oh, allspice. Yeah, that makes sense. Very soft and squishy. It kind of feels more like this one, just without the flex. Next is this dishy yarn. This is more of a worsted weight cotton yarn. I can tell because it's very dense. It's more, cotton yarn is more rough. But yeah, I love this purple color. Very pretty. I don't work with cotton very often, so I don't know what I'm going to make with that, but eventually I will use it. Next is going to be this little orange color. Worsted weight. This one also kind of gives me cotton a little bit, like it's kind of a little bit more rougher like this one, but I love this color. It's very pretty. I don't know what I will make with it, but I do love the color. And then last over here is this worsted weight in this very pretty like light lime color. It's soft. It's kind of a mix of like, it's in between being this soft and like between this cotton for sure. Because it is soft, but it's got a little bit of roughness to it. So it's not the softest one in here, but I do love this color. It's very, very pretty. And here is the little receipt that they gave me. You can see that they gifted it to me. And they said, thank you for being part of the crochet family, which is so cute. I was so excited. But here's the names and the colors in case you guys need them for whatever reason, if you're interested in this yarn. But yeah, I'm super thankful and I appreciate crochet.com and Knitpicks for sending me this yarn, no strings attached. I don't know what I'm going to make with all this, but I'm excited to throw it into my yarn stash and throw them into projects going forward. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll get back to the vlog.